Stop. Need high precision grinder, but not ready to invest a CNC machine? The 618 manual surface grinder is the one you don't want to miss. This compact grinder handles parts up to 400 cc, 0.150 and 0.350 mm, making it the ideal for small components where precision is crucial. Run at 2,800 RPM with a 1.5 HP model, stable and strong enough for daily workshop. Use a standard 180 diameter grinding wheel, easy to replace when worn. Don't let the size fool you. This machine weighs 750 kilograms, giving it rock-solid stability during operation. The Handwheel offers strength adjustment down to 0.005 mm, precise enough for the most demanding jobs. If you want clean, accurate results, let's start with the right machine.